Hi, Peter here from the SharePad support team. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to utilize the floating window feature in SharePad Pro. First, I'm going to cascade the web browser so that I can easily illustrate the difference between a pop-up window and a floating window. Now that I've cascaded the window, I'm going to select a portfolio and then I'm going to click on the blue button at the top to maximize the list view. Now that we have a nice clear view of SharePad, let's create a pop-up window. First, let's navigate to a green button at the top of SharePad. Once we're there, right-click on the button and select Open as Pop-up. Alternatively, you can hold the Control button on your keyboard and left-click the button, and this will also open it as a pop-up. The pop-up window in SharePad works in quite a unique way. If you were to click and drag on the header of the pop-up window, you'll notice that you're unable to take it outside of the web browser you're using. You are able to resize this window by using the perpendicular lines on the bottom right hand side. However, I want to move this window over to my second monitor. To do that, I would want to utilize the detach window or floating window function. To do that, click this icon here. Agree to the prompts that best suits you. In this case, I'm going to select this layout only. And you'll notice now when I click and drag on the header of the window, I'm able to take it outside the browser environment and onto another screen. Now that we know what the floating window function does on SharePad Pro, I'm going to show you how it can be used on a dual monitor setup. And there you have it, SharePad Pro with a dual monitor setup. Thanks for watching.